Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 benefits of chicken you may not know. So if you love chicken, or even if you do UNT, and you want to know some interesting facts about it, stay tuned. Let's get started. No one improves brain health. Did you know that? Chicken is a good source of vitamin B6, which helps to keep your brain functioning properly. Chicken is a good source of tryptophan, which is an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that regulate sleep. Vitamin B6 helps to stimulate the production of antibodies, which are proteins that fight off infections. Chicken is a good source of calcium, which is a mineral that is essential for strong bones. In addition, chicken is a good source of phosphorus and magnesium, two minerals that help to maintain bone mass and density. Phosphorus helps to regulate the amount of calcium in the body, while magnesium helps to build and maintain strong bones. In addition, chicken is a good source of vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium and phosphorus. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed more vitamin D had higher bone density than those who consumed less vitamin D. Selenium is a mineral that helps to boost the activity of immune cells, while zinc is a mineral that helps to strengthen the body's natural barriers against infection. In addition, chicken is a good source of protein, which is essential for a strong immune system. Protein provides the building blocks for immune cells and helps to support their function. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed more protein had stronger immune systems than those who consumed less protein. In addition, chicken is a good source of vitamin D, which has been linked with improved sleep quality. A study published in the journal BMJ found that people who consumed more vitamin D had better sleep quality than those who consumed less vitamin D. Finally, chicken is a good source of magnesium, which helps to relax muscles and promote calmness. This can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Protein helps to increase satiety, which is a feeling of fullness after eating. This can help reduce overall calorie intake and lead to weight loss. In addition, chicken is a good source of fiber, which also helps to keep you full and satisfied. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating a high-protein breakfast like chicken can help people consume fewer calories throughout the day and lose weight. Studies have shown that people who eat more foods high in vitamin B6 are less likely to develop depression. It has also been shown that consuming foods high in vitamin B6 can improve mood and reduce anxiety. In addition, chicken is a good source of selenium, which has been linked with improved cognitive function and memory. Finally, chicken is a good source of protein, which is essential for brain health. Protein provides the building blocks for brain cells and helps to support optimal brain function. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed more protein had better cognitive function than those who consumed less protein. Number 2, helps in weight loss. Chicken is a low-calorie, high-protein food, which makes it an ideal choice for people who are trying to lose weight. 3, improves sleep quality. Are you having trouble sleeping? Try eating more chicken. That's right. Number 4, boosts the immune system. Chicken is a good source of many nutrients that support a healthy immune system, including vitamin B6, selenium, and zinc. Number 5, good for strong bones. Are you looking for a way to improve your bone health? Look no further than chicken. That's right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.